How to install Fooocus AI on Windows. You want to run Fooocus AI on your Windows PC? Here's how to do it correctly. First, check that your system meets the requirement, which is Windows 10 or 11 64-bit and at least 8 GB of RAM and at least 4 GB of GPU VRAM. The recommended GPU is NVIDIA, and you also need 10 GB of free disk space. Next, go to the official Fooocus GitHub page and download the latest Windows build. Don't trust random sites, only use the official link. After downloading the zip or 7-zip file, extract it using 7-zip or another tool and place the folder somewhere easy to access like desktop or D. Inside the folder, find and double-click run.bat. This script auto-downloads the necessary models and launches the local interface in your browser. When it's done, your browser will open to the localhost 7865 or a similar address, and that's your Fooocus interface. To confirm it works, type in a prompt and click generate. Your image should appear in the preview window. If the console stops with press any key to continue, it usually means your system can't detect GPU support. If you're using AMD, install additional guidance from the GitHub, which is the Windows AMD GPUs section. And if you have an NVIDIA card, make sure your drivers are up to date. And that's all. You're running Fooocus AI locally. Start creating images with your prompts. Thanks for watching.